Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you does Samsung Galaxy A55 5G have SD card support or not. For checking up, guys, first of all, we need a SIM injector so that we need to take off the SIM slot. And let's see either we have a SD card option in the slot or not. So just take out the SIM tray, and as you guys see that we have a SIM 1 option here, and if and on the second side, yes, we have a SIM 1 option and micro SD card option also. So we're going to use a SIM 2 or a micro SD card, that is at one time only. So we have to use only one thing at one time, or like SIM card or a micro SD card. So that's mean Galaxy A55 5G comes with micro SD card option and it support SD card. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.